we're going to talk about how to construct oil-free dressings. You always need 4 components. So we always want a fat source. So you can use things like tahini or an avocado or something like cashews. You can also use a fat substitute like sugar-free applesauce. The reason applesauce works is because it is viscous and moist and has a lot of moisture, just like any other fat source. We also always need something sweet. So you can use maple syrup, agave. You can also use a whole food sweetener like a date. You always need a spice and something citrus like apple cider vinegar, balsamic, a lime, or a lemon.